Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got one bad car right here, 1969 Dodge Dart 440 pack is stuffed under that hood. 4-speed transmission, posi rear end, rotisserie restored to incredible condition. It's got blue with white. This car's amazing. I love it. You're going to see my enthusiasm in this video because I love this car. Wait till you hear it run at the end. So you can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and you'll find price tags on every single collector car that we offer for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me and let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car is just cool. Everything about it. I wouldn't change a thing if I owned it. So it was flipped on a rotisserie. This is B7 blue. The whole bottom of the car looks like this. Perfectly clean metal, smooth, glossy, clear coat B7 blue bottom. They welded in some pretty fat frame connectors. It's fatter than the factory frame rails, so that ties the front to the back, helps prevent the twisting with that big motor and the 4-speed in there. So that's welded right in. It looks like the factory did it. Every component under this car is rebuilt, restored, and detailed. I mean, this car is fresh. It is like spotless. You can eat off any part of this car. So the whole front end's completely redone. All the parts are painted and bushings replaced and steering controls. All that's been redone. Same with the rear suspension. Bushings, shocks, it's all been replaced. The brake system's all rebuilt. It is upgraded to disc in the front. The emergency brake cables are all hooked up. It's got a nice dual exhaust system that sounds real good. Fuel system's all new. The tank, the straps, the sending unit, that was all replaced. You look up at the motor, it's absolutely spotless. There's not a drip of oil or grease. It's not even dusty. The oil pan was made a little bigger, hold a little extra oil, helps keep the motor running a little cooler. So yeah, the bottom of the motor is spotless. Starter, fuel pump, all the components, motor mounts, that all looks like new. Has a 4-speed transmission that looks like new. All the shift linkage, the rubber mount, all that looks fresh. Drive shaft is restored. It's an 8 3/4 rear end in the back with 323 gears in it. So yeah, bottom of this car is just pristine. The body is amazing as well. This is B7 blue, a little darker than the B5 blue that most people are familiar with. Really sharp looking color. And the body is excellent. We'll go around it together. No dents, no damage. All of this is outstanding. I look at the gaps. I'm looking for problem areas. I don't see anything right here. This is all fantastic. Absolutely straight looking down the sides. There are no bubbles. It's just as nice down here as it is up on top. The body line is straight. Doors fit real nice. Shuts like a new car. This is all fantastic, all clean, no bubbles, no damage, no cracking that I can find anywhere. This is a fiberglass hood, so the texture is a little different on the hood, and the fit is really good, but it's not as good. It's a fiberglass hood, so it is what it is, but I'm being really critical here. It fits really well and looks fantastic. Yeah, absolutely straight down both sides. Yeah, this side's just as good as the other side. And I literally don't find even a flaw in the paint. I've been looking at the body and telling you about the body, but the paint just as good. I don't even find a nick or anything. So I'm not going to say the words it's flawless paint, but I'll tell you I didn't find any flaws. And it's all uniform. The blue metallic, it's all uniform, one color blue all around. And the clear coat is polished like a mirror. It looks like I could reach right in there and grab something out of the paint. All the chrome, I can tell you just standing here and looking at the car as a whole, it is sparkling. This mirror looks like new. Vent window frame looks like new. The stainless is polished like chrome. Door handles mint, wheel well moldings are mint. The back molding around the back window is very nice. The glass is original. There's some light scratches like original windows get. Everything back here looks brand new and sparkling. This panel, the bumper, the tail lights, that's pristine. Marker lenses look real good. This side, all the same thing. The mirror, the vent window frame, gutters, all that's in real nice shape. You got fender mounted turn signals. They look like new. You got hood pins. The grill, I didn't know they were remaking these, but this grill looks pristine. You got the argent textured silver, the grill itself, the lenses, the bumper. It has a little mini spoiler down there too. So all the trim on the car is amazing. Correct antenna looks new. The wheels, you got the steel rims with the poverty caps. The rims are painted, the caps look like new. BF Goodrich tires look like new. Look how fat they are in back. Look how wide that is. This actually has a mini tub, and you don't even know it by looking at it. They did such a nice job, but they made a fatter wheel well to fit that big meaty tire underneath there. So I love the staggered size wheels. I think they got it just right. So why don't we stop it and we'll give you a tour of what's inside the car. Well, you're going to see what a brand new trunk compartment looks like. Let's look at the paint underneath here. Just painted beautifully. You got the sticker. The jam is all painted. Now the whole inside of the trunk is painted blue. This is the widened wheel well I was talking about. You can't even tell. It looks like the factory did it. We got the restored jack assembly here. We got a new trunk mat, all new wiring harness, cloth wrapped wiring harness. Now, a lot of times you won't find a tire underneath here, but there is actually a brand new tire on a painted rim. So you got your spare and you got your jack. There's a trunk light that's working. I can see new insulation on the back of the seat, new weather strip. So this is a detailed trunk and it's complete. It has everything that's supposed to be there. Now, they made a handful of darts with a 440 from the factory. They never made a 440 six-pack. So the 440 cars, they're 80 to 100 grand. And this one here, the six-pack, they never made one that they probably should have. Now, the door panel, door jambs are mint, all glossy, smooth, new weather strips. The door panel, the armrest, the window crank. It's all new. The metal trim is all painted. And everything's right. Everything fits right. It's not just a bunch of new parts slapped together. Now, looking across the dash, it's beautiful. The lenses, the factory gauges, the chrome bezels, the writing, the heater control panel, the radio even. It looks like a brand new radio. And everything seems to be working. We got glove box light. You got a map light that works. New glove box liner. Even the light over the key, when I put the key in, you can see it lit up on my finger. There's a little light there. That never works. And it's on a timer. It stays on. And so dash area pristine. New dash pad. Restored steering wheel, deluxe wheel. Down on the floor, you've got nice black carpet, and it fits nice. I've seen new carpet in a lot of cars. It's all wrinkled and buckled up, but this is real nice fitting carpet, matching mats. You got a big monster tachometer, a fire extinguisher just for the heck of it, and then you got a Hurst bench seat shifter with the wood grain knob, factory boot and bezel. It looks like factory did it. And I even looked up under the dash. You can take my word for it, but the heater box, the wiring, everything up under there is all like new. And then we got seat belts. They're new. All the upholstery, the correct white upholstery, the correct headrest, the headliner. You look at the back seat, you got all the seat belts. They're latched like they're supposed to be. The armrest, the side panels, ashtrays. In back, the speaker deck and all the trim, all excellent. And then the headliner, the white perforated headliner is new. It fits real nice. Shoulder belts are new. The visors, the mirror. This is really one of the nicest cars we have. Now, let's get to the really good stuff under the hood. They restored it like the factory would have built it. You have a set of coated headers on there. Aside from that, this is just like the factory. It has date-coated spark plug wires. It has Mopar hoses and clamps, a Mopar radiator, the correct cap, the fan shroud, stock valve covers. Underneath that big air cleaner is aluminum intake with the 6-pack carb setup. And just look at how detailed everything is. Look how spotless every part of this car is. The engine bay is all smooth metal, painted glossy. Look at the, I know I'm skipping around, but look at the wiper motor. Look at the finishes. That's a restored and detailed wiper motor. The squirters are hooked up. It has the horns. The Mopar battery is not just a fake topper. It's an actual reproduction Mopar battery, all bolted down properly. You got new cables. It does feature power steering. It's got new power steering hoses, has a power steering cooler. This is not a numbers matching car, but this would be considered concourse if it was. Has the Mopar electronic ignition. And again, every component, everywhere you look, even deep down in the nooks and crannies, it's like brand new. So yeah, this car really does it for me. It just checks all the boxes. The quality is beyond your expectations. The colors are amazing in my opinion. The 6-pack and a 4-speed, it doesn't get any better. The stance, the wheel size, everything about it. Door shuts real nice. I just happened to catch in the light right here. There's some little like freckles in the paint, one little spot there. This is one of those cars, if we were to close our doors tomorrow and I could keep 5 cars, this would be one of them, absolutely. Probably be in the top 3 of all the cars we have here that I'd want to keep for myself. So there you have it. Got an amazing car. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. You can speak with the salesmen. They'll help you the best they can with whatever questions or concerns you have. They can help get this delivered to your door. They can help you get it financed. That's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.